Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear your saved data on the PowerWash Simulator game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up PowerWash Simulator on your device, and after you are taken into the main menu, you can continue to play your career mode right away. Now, if you wish to start all the way from the beginning and you would like to reset all of your progress, then in order to do this, tap on Options at the bottom left corner, or you can tap on the menu icon at the top left and then go to Options as well. Now from the Options page, go into the General Settings, and now if you scroll down, within the General Options you will see the Save Data menu. In order to clear your progress, just click on the Clear option and you will be asked whether you are sure that you would like to clear your data. Tap on the Confirm button, which will reset all of your progress. Once you tap on this, you can now start playing your game all the way from the very beginning. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to clear all of your data and reset your progress on the PowerWash Simulator game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.